Hi friends, again I come back to you. Sorry for not giving a video for the last few days. Today you will show them how to turn on off any device with mobile phone. To create this device, the parts that are needed: a complete mobile phone, a timer, a motor with pumps, and some accessories etc. Here is the point that you can irrigate your garden even if you are outside the house. After you make a missed call, it will be turned on and the timer will be set automatically off when the timer is set.
দেখুন চালু হয়ে গেছে। স্ক্রল দিলাম।
Friends, how this machine works. See you. If you like this video, like to enjoy, share your friends. Any question, ask me in comment box. Definitely subscribe to my channel. Be seen again and again in a new video. Keep up the good, stay healthy and keep looking creative discovery. Bye bye.